One more thing you can do with the method of undetermined coefficients is you can actually add guesses together when they're added on the right hand side here. So here we have this generic a y double prime plus b y prime plus c y equals, we have a polynomial here, 2x cubed minus 1. We also have an exponential, 4 e to the 7x, and we also have a trig function, 13 sine of 2x. And so your initial guess would be y particular of x equals, well, this is a third degree polynomial. We're going to guess a third degree polynomial. So ax cubed plus b x squared plus cx plus d. And then we have an exponential here. We're going to guess an exponential. So plus capital E, then to little e to the 7x. And then we also have a trig function. So then we'd also guess plus capital F cosine of 2x plus another constant, we're going to use g, sine 2x. And then I really recommend you actually do these separately. So you could, guess this one, and then you could go through, figure out the coefficients to solve for the polynomial part. Then separately, you could guess this, put this one through the differential equation, and then solve for the capital E to solve for the exponential part. And then you could put in this trig function part into the differential equation, and then solve for capital F and capital G to solve for the trig part on the right-hand side. But that's the idea. So I'm not going to do the whole thing here because it would take a very long time. But you calculate y particular prime of x and y particular double prime of x. Plug them in. Into a y double prime plus b y prime plus c y, and pick the undetermined coefficients. To equal the right-hand side, what is that? It's 2x cubed minus 1 plus 4e to 7x plus 13 sine of x. Sorry, sine of 2x. Then one more thing is, I said initial guess. That's what I put here. You might need to modify that guess. By your guess due to the homogeneous solutions. Homogeneous solutions. So let's go ahead and do some examples of this, and hopefully then you can try and do your homework.